Hello everyone with our Forex Daily Analysis video. Now it's Monday today, so before I start I would like to remind you to open up your economic calendar, whichever one you're using, and make sure to check out what news you've got ahead for this week, because I'll give you a hint, there's a few press conferences which will most probably have some impact on price in the upcoming days. Alright, we've got Jerome Powell's speech, we've also got Lagarde's speech, and they are going to be talking about interest rate decisions, right? And this is something that normally affects price strongly sometimes as well. And if you look at this move right here, this is only based on comments about early change of the interest rate decision. Alright, now listen carefully, this is not because there was an actual change in the interest rate decision. That doesn't happen very often, but only because there were comments about it. And that's why we've got such a sharp drop here. Okay, we are expecting same type of news this week, and so you should be prepared and being aware that something like this could happen, especially if you're looking to trade any of the major pairs. Okay, now here on euro dollar, what we saw here was this first drop, and then we've had this zone before price actually reached it, and we said that we might see a reversal here, but we could also see a further push down. Alright, so we saw that strong momentum, and that's when price kind of confirmed that it will continue even lower. Okay, then we had this additional push to the downside, and to be honest, I've got this zone right here now, and I'm expecting that throughout this week we could actually finally see a reversal here on euro dollar. Alright, so we've got a long bias. Even when price was back here, we said we're not going to be entering any short positions, and we are definitely not going to be looking for short positions at this current price levels. Alright, we are going to be waiting for a reversal. We have a long-term bias on this pair, and we think that there will be a weaker dollar for some time in future. Okay, and like I said, we're not looking for any selling opportunities at current price levels, but then if you look at the hourly chart, that doesn't mean that we are going to be entering long trades straight away. You can see that we've got this downside move, price then holds sideways for a bit, it makes a lower low, and then it holds sideways for a bit, and that's why I'm saying that somewhere around this zone here, I'm expecting a reversal. But before that happens, then we don't have a confirmation, so we're not going to be entering prior to seeing price actually breaking above this high, or maybe even this high up here, depending on how conservative you are. Alright, we've got press conference today, like I said. We've also got another one tomorrow, which I think it will actually bring some extra volatility to the market, so we might see that reversal happening in those couple of days. Okay, and something else that we talk about a lot, not only in those morning videos but in the other videos that we make for you guys as well here on our YouTube channel, is that you should be using stop loss, and you should always use proper risk management. Alright, this is something very important for your development as a professional trader, because now if you look at this upside move here, and then price pulled back, retested at 23.6 level, it was still creating a higher lows, higher highs as well, and lots of people actually expected to see euro dollar continuing straight up without making that whole retracement. Okay, and imagine that you enter long right around here at the top, and then price goes down by over 300 pips in a matter of week. Alright, so this is a really big move. If you don't have a stop loss, then you really expose yourself to too much danger. And then obviously this right here could not be the end of that move. Alright, we could see another 300 pips next week, right? And now you have an active trade without a stop loss, and if you enter with quite a big lot size for your account up here, now you're 300 pips or maybe even more than that into a loss. Well, trust me, that can wipe out your account real quick. So you've got to be careful. You've always got to make sure that you use the proper lot size, and you always put a stop loss to limit your losses. Okay, and I'm saying this because we're not only seeing this sharp and big moves on euro dollar, but as you can see, we've got another one here on dollar Canadian. All right, we've got such a move on gold as well, and then on silver. And if you look across the other pairs, you can see that it happens occasionally, and we should always be prepared for such a moves. And I think right now this is great times to see and understand why you should limit your losses, and you should make sure that you calculate your risk on every single position that you enter. Okay, so that's pretty much all for now. We are going to be watching price action here on euro dollar throughout today, tomorrow, and like I said, we are expecting to see an end of this downside move and possibly price reversing back to the upside. Okay, so guys, please comment down below what you want to see next. Is there any other pair or instrument that you want to see us analyzing? If you've got any questions, of course, join our free Telegram channel where we post daily educational content. You can find a link in the description down below, and you can also find links to our social media, so make sure to follow us there. Have a look at our TradingView channel, and you can actually see our analysis from Friday last week on euro dollar and see how it went. Alright, I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you in the next video.